Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my 2017 end of the year video. It's been a while since I really posted a video and sat down with you guys and talked, but today's video is going to be that, and it's just basically my experiences and memories throughout the year and everything that happened. So this year I made a 2017 jar. So these are basically just everything that I've done and my memories that I've stuck in here. So we'll just go through it and see what I did. So the first thing I pulled out is this Brunswick players card, and it's just a place where I play laser tag and bowling, as well as like a little arcade with my family. So I went here. I got a job, so all of these are my jobs. Time cards, I don't know why I kept all of them. I've also kept straws from the aquarium. Actually these are from the zoo, but we went to the zoo quite a few times. We also went to the zoo for Lana's birthday, so I have those as well. Again, to the zoo, so admissions ticket. The zoo's map. I don't even know why I have a receipt in this, but this is Lana's birthday cake from Acme. I don't know why I have the receipt and I put it in here. I went to see Girls Trip. This was a great movie, guys. Great movie. And it's like I haven't seen good movies in quite a long time, so this was such a great movie. If you guys haven't seen it yet, you guys should. So I have some tickets from Wildwood. Again, I have these like fake token tickets from Wildwood, and it was like a little casino kind of thing where you could play with these. And then I have my wristband from when I went to the ER this year. Crazy experience. If you guys want a story time on it, make sure to let me know and I will make a story time on why I went to the ER. I have some rose petals from my graduation because I graduated this year from high school, so that happened. And then I have my, which we didn't even use, so I don't even know why I needed it, but these are my graduation like admissions ticket. What does it say? June 8th, 2017, 6:30 p.m. at Kutztown University. It's where I had my high school graduation.
Knew this day would come. We'd be standing one by one with our future in our hands. So many dreams, so many plans. Always knew after all these years there'd be laughter, there'd be tears, but never thought I'd walk away with so much joy, but so much pain.
I have the aquarium admissions ticket. So went there for Lana's birthday as well. Lana's drawings. I have tons of those in here. Lana's little like pictures that she drew and like left them on my wall. I just put them in here. I went to CCP with my friend and I got a visitor's pass. Lana, where are we? And this is just, I don't know why I kept this as well, but this is just a the aquarium's picture that the guy like took a picture of you and then like you could go purchase it. But we walked, this was for Lana's birthday as well, so we walked onto that like, I don't know what it's called, but like tight line kind of thing, and you're just walking like above the sharks. I have a twisted tea cap, and then I also have all of these penny machines that you get at like the zoo and the aquarium. So I have rhino here. This one's a red panda. I have a giraffe, a gorilla, a cheetah, a lion, and a turtle. I also met my best friend for the first time this year at Wildwood. Look at her. For New Year's, which is in 2 days, on the 1st of 2017, I went to Longwood Gardens with my family. Also, can't forget that I turned 18 this year, and in about 8 days, if my math is correct, I will be turning 19. I also got a camera, which I appreciate so much because now I can make wonderful videos and wonderful content for you guys, and I get to do something I love, so I appreciate that as well. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, but in 2017 I wrote my 2017 goals. I still need to write my 2018 goals that I want to achieve. Got my license. I got my second job. So I didn't go to BeautyCon this year or VidCon, but that's so okay because I can always go next year. I got accepted into San Fran, but I didn't go. I decided to take a year off of college, save money, and then go next year in the fall. Get my first tattoo. I did not accomplish that, but I plan to get that very, very soon. I met my best friend Madison for the first time. I'm working on my YouTube channel. I'm almost to 500 subscribers, so if you guys want to help a girl out, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so we can continue to grow together and experience things. And I got a camera, and I'm going to write my 2018 goals, and then by the end of 2018 I will read you guys everything I accomplished. Like I said, this year has been very interesting. I've met some people, made friends, lost some people, but that's normal and it's not a big deal. Whatever happens, happens. And at this point in my life, I'm just trying to focus on me, do things that make me happy, get back into YouTube because I haven't been filming, and it's crazy because I've been so busy with work. But I'm gonna get back into it, make great videos for you guys, and improve every day for myself. So if you guys haven't seen my 2016 recap year video, you guys should definitely go check that out. I will have the card up there as well as the link in the description. But I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys join along this journey. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Because I'm dangerous. That boom boom sound like angel dust. Girl, let me hold ya. Put me ting all around ya. Make me feel like I own ya. Kill it boom like a warrior. Hit the boom like. Yeah. I said my dream. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. Wood grain top down, switch. Hey! Turn me up, turn me up.
Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body.
Wet.
You know me, Cardi B, pussy popping on the charts.
Shorty die, slim fit, mixing with the red. She the plug, she finesse, she the one that go. If I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one.